Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this pitcher plant seed in Grow a Garden Game Summer Camp event update. So this is about the pitcher plant seed. This is one of the defined seed in Grow a Garden, guys. And from this update, if you want to get the pitcher plant seed, you need to have or you need to reach tier 5 of the Campfire workshop. So you need to keep the campfire alive to craft this pitcher plant seed. And these are what you need to prepare for the pitcher plant seed. You need pepper, Grandmaster sprinkler, and the burning bud, and the magnifying glass, also 30 million shackles. You can craft it, and I'm going to show you how the plant looks like. Is it worth to craft? So this is the pitcher plant. I'm going to collect it, and now let's see the base value of this plant. Pitcher plant. Oops. Sorry. I'm going to equip the pitcher plant. Okay, this one. Let's see how much this is worth. Oh, it's worth around 50k shackles, right? Okay. Yeah, I think it's worth enough, but as you can see, for the crafting recipe, it's pretty hard to get, especially the Grandmaster sprinkler, because it's pretty rare, and also for this burning bud. Okay guys, and that's all about the pitcher plant in Grow Garden Summer Camp event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!